Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishamo here. I and Arish are going to fly two Black Hawks. Arish is going to fly the UH-60 Sikorsky Seahawk, and I'm going to fly the Black Hawk UH-60. Mine is manual. He has GPS, and Hadi is on a lookout for people and warn them. Okay, we will try to do some formation flight. So let's take off, shall we? Go. All right, sir, you fly, I will follow you. I hope the camera can see at night. And sir, if you can have a lower altitude so we can see helicopters like this altitude where Baba's helicopter is. Okay, now go forward. Keep lower altitude, okay? So you can reduce the altitude. You have the control. You are the pilot, sir. So you can also do figure eight. Like that. What I'm doing, you can also do that. Give it a try. It's okay, it will auto return to home there. You're going too high. Arish's helicopter is hovering on GPS, and my helicopter, I have to constantly give it input to let it hover like a GPS. Black Hawk seems like have captured the Seahawk, so it's circling around it, focused on it. I'm doing this circle manually. Hope you guys can see it. You all can see it. How much battery left? Can you see on your radio?
RX?
Yes, RX battery.
One bit.
1 bit. Okay. Let's land then.
Uh-oh,
No battery? I still have battery because I'm running low head speed, you know? I wish on a Seahawk there was a way to reduce the head speed so we could save more battery. I feel for a GPS flight it actually runs a higher head speed than actually needed.